Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the meter and probe so measurements are reliable. First, install fresh batteries and confirm the display is bright. Low power gives false readings. Once done, inspect the probe and cable for cracks or debris and clean the tip if needed. Now power the unit on and choose degrees C or degrees F and the correct measurement mode. This ensures the meter measures what you expect rather than giving misleading numbers. You now focus on positioning and confirming accuracy. If precision matters, perform a quick calibration or offset using an ice bath or a known temperature reference, because small errors compound. Next, position the probe correctly, perpendicular for surfaces and to the specified immersion depth for liquids, which prevents ambient bias. Make sure you wait for the reading to stabilize. When values fluctuate, use the hold or averaging function. You finish by recording and verifying results so they're traceable. Note the time, place, and stabilize temperature and store in the meter memory or your log. If readings are erratic, replace batteries first, then reseat the probe and inspect connectors. Many issues are simple fixes. If the display shows no value, test the meter on a known temperature source to isolate the problem. And if it still fails, contact the manufacturer for repair or replacement guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.